Before starting the video, let me remind you, if you have subscribed our channel by clicking the red subscribe button and press that bell icon besides it so that you will never miss any video uploaded by me. Hey guys, this is Shubham here, and in this video I'm showing you the tutorial on how to get Android P in any of your Android smartphone. So without any further ado, let's get started. So to do that, first you have to install the app given in the description. You will get the link in the description named as Pixel Launcher 3. After installing, do one thing, just click on your home button and click on Pixel Launcher. Now as you can see, you have the full Android P look, the menu, the sliding menu and the animations of opening and closing the apps, the Google search bar. Also go to the settings option by just tapping and holding on the screen. You get also a theme named as use dark theme. The only thing it does is gives a dark theme to the slide menu or the menu of the launcher. After installing this application, you will feel the full customization of like Android P. So if you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and like button. We will meet in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.
Bum 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 digging